Guys, welcome back to another video. Green Hell VR. How long are we going to survive this video? Wait, good app chat, good app chat, app chat, app chat. App chat, app chat. Should we go from this all the way to 30 days? 30 days sounds fine. Why? I'd be even more excited if you went to app chat. Oh, you can't hear me in app chat? Uh, y'all, so y'all won't be able to hear him talk. Wait, alright, can you rejoin the code real quick? I'll hold all your stuff. So, so it actually makes the video quality better. Oh, you will? If you rejoin? Okay, quit the server. Now, do you need the code? QBPRL9. This is what traumatizes me. I don't like seeing this. QBPRL9. Okay, I got app chat. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I repeat, do you copy? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Nick, dick, 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 da. Hello? Are you joining the code? Wait, let me talk in VR. Let me talk in that. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Did you hear that? Did you hear me talk? Alright. Guys, y'all won't be able to hear him, but it's all good. Or wait. Yeah, some technical difficulties. Or I just won't post this video. We'll just make another video later. Alright? Wait, should I see if it's done downloading? It's done. Wait, was it successful? There's no way it was actually successful, right? If it's successful, then I'm actually gonna post it. Was it? It wasn't successful so far, so I can't post it. It's too long. I think. I don't think I have enough like storage in my phone. Bruh. I don't think so. Totally not. I'll just make you an axe. You already made yourself an axe? Bruh. Well, at least I have an extra axe now. No, I think I'm good now. Use your rope for your axe. Watch me make it, watch me roll, man. This is okay. Huh? Oh, I can hear you in game. I can hear you in game. Yeah. Can you hear me in game? Not can you hear me in game? Hello? Can you hear me in game? Okay, you can talk in the game. I'll talk in the app. The call. Well, I'm saying if the video is successful. Wait, it says the video is successful. Never. I'm always gonna post videos. No, no, that wasn't there. That wasn't there. I'm only doing that on my phone, but it doesn't matter. I'm trying to be consistent posting so I can keep people happy. Sorry guys, I'm sorry that I'm being super consistent with my videos. Oh my god! Oh god. Oh my god, I'm so close to that. I'm bleeding out to death. I can't, I'm bleeding out. I didn't grab it, I'm bleeding out. Give me it! Don't take my stuff. Oh, I hate how it doesn't let me post videos. Why? I want to post a video. My old friend is calling me. One second, I'll be right back. I'm fine, bro. Oh my god. He never joins add calls, basically. That's why I don't add him. Hello? Hi. Not really. Do you have Green Hell VR? Never mind. I'm doing a video on Green Hell VR. Yeah, it's $20. Cool. I'm dying for more damage. I kind of want to play UG. My green, my screen is fully black. I can't see anything. Okay, bro.